Hello! A fantastic way to use up stale bread or simply enjoy a savory breakfast with toast or regular bread. 2 eggs. In a large bowl, whisk the egg until well beaten. 1 cup of crumbled white cheese. 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Stir in 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese and 1 cup of crumbled white cheese until evenly combined. 1 small tomato, peeled and diced, seeds removed. 2 thinly sliced green peppers. 2 to 3 sprigs of finely chopped parsley. Place the slices of bread on the baking sheet. Evenly distribute the cheese mixture over the slices of bread. Preheat your oven to 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake in the preheated oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the bread is golden brown. Serve warm and enjoy. Bon appétit!